This is the Biggest Bird SMP. And on this server, you only have 3 lives. Whoa! Oh, hi. I landed in the water. Oh. Mhm. Oh, okay.
Go through this door
Oh,
and you'll
secret
make it to the
entry.
next place.
Which way? Straight? Right?
Go right!
Okay. Okay. I can't see anything. Oh, I see something. What even is that? Is that water? Oh, well. Oh, dang. This is, goes very high up. I don't even know what I'm supposed to do, but I'm just gonna climb this mountain.
You see, I was on my way to this place or wherever this guy was telling me to go. I saw someone and I wasn't really sure who it was. And then I saw this. I went down, but I was not really sure because it looked like a trap. But you'll see what happens. What the? You know what? I'm just gonna go down it. Frick it. What? Whoa, there's no door. Oh, please don't kill me. Please don't kill me. Don't worry, I won't kill you. Welcome to the Bounty Palace. Are you here to claim a bounty? Yeah, I am. There's one missing. Oh, that one has been taken. Can I get thigh? Or whatever that is? Yeah. Also, can I get, like, a choker? Because, like, as you can see, I'm, like, naked. So, yeah. Thank you. So, how much am I getting paid for this? 100 stacks of gold. Holy, bro. Thank you. As I continue to loot up, and once I exit, I start searching for Spartan. Let's see what will happen. So, do you like this job? Not really, but I get paid, so. Yeah, seems reasonable. Well, I'm gonna head out because, I'm just gonna, yeah, I'm gonna head out. Bye. Thanks for the great money. Yeah, no problem. See ya, Ferrix. Oh, and he just left. Okay. Well, at least it's my turn. Whee! Oh, okay. Well, I'm finally back at spawn, so this is where Spartan should be, because I met him here, and I'm hunting him. I feel bad for this, but I've got to do it. Ow! Ow, okay. Oh my god, I suck at the game, bro. Holy! What? Who is that? He had invis, I know that. Yo, hello? Hello, bro? Yo, you good? Yo, hello? Yo, I don't have an elytra, bro. Bro. Are we serious? Bro, what? Nah, come down here and find me, bro. Bro. Here, bro. I'll leave you alone, right? If you give me my money, give me my gold. You know I came here. You know I came here to kill you so I can get my gold. I'm gonna get it, right? Alright, I'll wait. Spartan? Spartan. Yo. So, here, look. Okay, chill, bro. Chill. Only if you give me the gold, I won't kill you. I can make this way easier than it has to be, bro. No. Get away from me. I'm not giving you the gold. Come here, bro. I'll have to do it the hard way if you don't listen. No. Whatever. I'm gonna kill you if you don't listen. Yeah, right. You're a weakling. No, I'm not, bro. I will literally kill you. Come on, bro. You're so lucky you have an elytra. No, I could kill you either way. You have a freaking mace? No. Just looks like I do. Well, looks like I have to do this the hard way. Here I go. I think that's the new player. I gotta ask him something. Hopefully he knows where Spartan is. Alex! Have you seen someone named Spartan?
Yes.
Okay. Just, try to protect yourself, okay?
Okay.
Alright. I'll guard you.
Okay.
Oh no, I see his name tag. Let's do this, Spartan. Once and for all, bro. Sure. Let's do this. Shoot. Okay, I'm ready. I gotta fight him now. Here I come. Again. What? Where is he? It's Alex? Oh, okay, I see him. Spartan! Come here, bro. Let's do this. Yeah. Go ahead. You're just gonna run away again. Let's do this, bro. died. Let's go, bro. I got him low and then he died to full damage. Let's go. Time to claim my prize for real, bro. Let's go. Time to go back to the bounty. Oh, wait. How many lives did he have? Oh, well, I only needed to kill him once. That's all I needed. Hey, get back here. Oh, shoot, I forgot to return the armor. Oh, no, I gotta get out of here. Well, sorry, bro, but I'm not returning it. Well, you're gonna get hunted by a whole entire army until you return it. It's worth it. Okay, chill. Well, it's time. I'm out of here. Come on, get me out of here. Get out! Okay, I'm good. I need to prepare. Until next time. Big thanks to everyone watching this. Stay tuned, subscribe. Have a good day.